Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today I've got this 2004 Lexus GS400. This casting is by Matchbox, part of Matchbox Moving Parts line, and it's new for 2026. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Lexus GS400 out of its box. It's first thing you will notice is the black paint and chrome rims. It's a metallic kind of paint. Interior you can also see from here it's beige tan kind of shade. Let's move to the front. So in the front you've got a nice detailed front end with headlamps, turn indicator and fog lamps, lower grille, upper grille with Lexus logo. It has an opening hood which you will see at the end. You also get both the mirrors, no windshield wipers though, and because of the opening hood the dash is cut on the sides, which I think looks a bit odd. Well, those are my thoughts, right? Back to the driver's side, you can see the fuel filler is there, got both the door handles. B pillar isn't the part of the metal, it's on the plastic side. You can also see the sunroof from here. 6-spoke wheels, seen on so many different Matchbox. Looks alright here. On the back, again good details. You can see it has got painted tail lamp, Lexus badge, stop lamp, number plate which reads, let me zoom into it and see what does it read. It reads MB1568. You also got the Lexus badge and GS400 on the side. Twin exhaust, it looks good. Let's go back. A small spoiler on the trunk, and you can see the base interior from here. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. The only difference I can see is the fuel filler door. As I said before, the interiors, you can see it from here, it's finished in beige. There are some details but obviously not painted. You can see the seats in the front and the back. This is how it looks from the bottom, some details there, and it has an opening hood. So let's open this up, look inside. So some nice details under the hood actually, and it's nicely painted. The hood is very soft, it just closes by itself. Let's zoom into it and see what does it offer. So if you look, it's an engine cover with Lexus badge, 4.3 VTI, so that's the V8, and I can see some other painted details. It looks like battery in there. So yeah, so good details under the hood. Engine bay looks good. Overall, I think it's a nice looking casting. It looks good, and Matchbox has done a good job. I think you won't be disappointed with this one. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.